Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rehan, and today we are going to talk about a very important topic: how to think in English. If you always translate from Hindi to English in your mind, this video is for you, because this habit is one of the biggest reasons why people can't speak English fluently. Let me ask you something. When you want to speak in English, what do? First you think in Hindi, then you translate into English, and then you speak, right? Because of this, your speaking becomes slow, you feel confused, and you lose confidence. The truth. Here is the truth. Fluent speakers don't translate, they think directly in English. And that's why they speak faster, more naturally, and more confidently. So now the question is, how can you do that? Step 1. Start with simple thinking. Don't try to think big sentences. Start small. For example, instead of thinking, "Mujhe pani pina hai," think directly, "I want water." Keep your sentences short and simple. Your brain will slowly adjust. Step 2. Talk to yourself. This is one of the most powerful methods. Start talking to yourself in English. Yes, it may feel strange at first, but trust me, it works. For example, I am sitting. I am watching a video. I am learning English. Do this every day. Step 3. Describe your surroundings. Whatever you see, describe it in English. For example, I am walking. The weather's nice. I'm feeling happy. You don't need perfect grammar, just express your thoughts. Step 4. Use English for daily thoughts. Start using English in your mind for small decisions. For example, what should I eat? Should I go now? I need to finish this work. This will train your brain to think in English. Step 5. Stop being afraid of mistakes. This is very important. Many people don't think in English because they are afraid of making mistakes. But remember, mistakes are part of learning. Even if your sentence is not perfect, it's okay. Just keep going. Now let me share my experience. When I used to speak English, I always thought in Hindi first, and in my mind, I kept asking myself, is this sentence correct or not? Because of this, I spoke very slowly. Sometimes I got stuck. Sometimes I lost confidence. Then, I decided to change this habit. I stopped thinking in Hindi, and I started thinking in English. At first it was very difficult. My mind was not ready. I felt confused. But I didn't stop. I kept practicing every day. And slowly, I started improving. This change helped me a lot. That was the moment my English actually started improving. Let's do a quick practice right now. Answer these questions in English. What are you doing right now? Where are you sitting? What is your goal? Don't translate, just think and answer. Make this your daily habit. For at least 10 minutes, think only in English. No Hindi, no translation, just English. In the beginning, it will feel difficult, but over time, you will realize that you are improving. Remember this, you don't become fluent by translating. You become fluent by thinking in English. Start small, practice daily, and don't give up. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe, and comment below. Do you translate in your mind, or are you starting to think in English? I would love to know your answer. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.